the conventional approach is missing something. So what's missing is when you look at muscle tissue that's tight and you lose pliability, it has many symptoms that are caused by that loss. So symptoms are stiffness, inflammation, pain, weakness. So conventional approaches are addressing those symptoms, not addressing the core problem. So we have a unique approach where we truly believe that we're addressing that core problem, because when you restore pliability to a muscle, when you break up that tightness, the muscles can now move. So stiffness goes away, inflammation goes away, pain goes away, strength dramatically increases.
We don't want people to come here and just get out of pain so they can function in life. We want them to actually be able to do the things that bring them joy and that actually are fulfilling in their lives. So whether that's, being able to pick up their grandkids because their backs don't hurt, to running their first marathon.
I've tried everything. I've gone to massage therapists, acupuncturists, but then what I ended up finding was that these chronic injuries would reoccur. My first experience was with Eric, and he, worked on my back, and it's probably only 15 minutes, and I noticed right away just kind of my muscles opening up and feeling kind of relief of tension that I've kind of not experienced before.
I have severe vertebrae issues. I'd been to a neurologist and through MRIs, and coming to Delos has literally saved me. I can walk and I can move, and I know exactly what I can do and what I cannot do.
If you want physical therapy to work, which is basically stretching and strengthening, restore pliability, it will dramatically accelerate physical therapy results. If you want to do chiropractic, you have to restore pliability so manipulating the bones stay in place. If you want to do yoga or Pilates or stretch apart tight muscle tissue, you have to restore pliability. So what I want patients to experience when they come in is I want them to leave with answers. I want them to understand why the things they're trying aren't fully effective, why what we're doing is different. We want to treat them and we want to restore their muscles back to a functional state so they can live life without limitation.